This quick microwave garlic herb sauce takes just 5 minutes to prepare and serves 4 people. Bursting with fresh garlic, aromatic herbs, and a zing of lemon, this flavorful condiment is perfect for elevating grilled chicken, vegetables, or pasta in an instant. Its vibrant, homemade taste will leave your meals feeling hearty and irresistible, all without any fuss. Get ready to add a burst of gourmet flavor to your everyday dishes. Let's now check the ingredients. 2 tablespoons butter. 3 garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by melting the butter in a microwave-safe bowl for about 30 seconds. Add the minced garlic to the melted butter and microwave for another 20 seconds until fragrant. Stir in the chopped parsley, lemon juice, salt, and pepper until well combined. Microwave the mixture for an additional 10 seconds to meld the flavors. Remove from the microwave and give it a final stir. Pour the hot sauce over cooked vegetables, grilled chicken, or pasta for an instant flavor boost. Enjoy this quick and versatile sauce with your favorite everyday meals.